Hey everyone, Crypto Hop signing in. So, guys, today I'm actually planning to show you guys how to set up MetaMask, which is actually one of the major or biggest world's favorite wallet for Ethereum blockchain. And along with that, it is also usable in other blockchains like Binance and few others. So once you are set up with MetaMask, this is the bare minimum you need to actually do anything with regard to trading or keeping Ethereum or any coins on the Ethereum blockchain. So just start. We'll start with this, and then you will also get to understand other concepts when I will tell regarding multiple swaps, decentralized exchanges in the next few videos. So simple. Just keep it. Go to Google or Bing. Just out MetaMask download. You will get this link. This is the official link. Make sure you are at metamask.io download based on what iOS you are using and what are the browser you're supporting. You have to click on this Chrome, Firefox, Brave. This is Edge. Just for the demo purpose, I have already MetaMask installed. I use Chrome and Brave is so I have already set it up here there. So just to show you guys, just click on this, go get add extension. So the download is happening right now. Cool. It's as simple as that. MetaMask has been added to Microsoft Edge. Now you have MetaMask wallet already installed on your machine. So get started. You have now set it up. So there are two options. I have already have a secret recovery phase. So this is basically for those folks who already have MetaMask installed somewhere. Example, I set up my MetaMask here. It will give me a recovery phase. So tomorrow, God forbid, this laptop gets crashed completely, gets burnt, gets lost. I can actually recover the same wallet in a different machine, but I need that recovery phrase, which I have to copy and keep it with me very safely. So for now, I will just create a new one, and I agree. You have to set up a password. Great. Okay. So it just shows you a good video, which is very good to watch for new folks on how to secure your wallet. But for me, this is all good because this is more about important secret recovery phase. So you just go, it will now, you can actually reveal it right now and copy, just write it down on a pen and paper, take a screenshot, keep it very safe. Definitely write it down on paper and keep it in somewhere safe. And then have at least two backups. This, but you can also check it later in the settings. So I will say remind me later. All set. Now you have a MetaMask wallet account, which actually can be used for all of the Ethereum blockchain. You can send Ethereum or any other tokens which are built on Ethereum blockchain right to this address. Somebody can send it from anywhere in the world, and you can also, once you have the asset here, you can also send it out. Obviously, you need to keep some fees, pay some fees, which we will discuss later on. But in a very short, you're all set for Ethereum blockchain. The first steps toward building your future on crypto. So for now, I will end the video here. In the next video, I will tell you about how to connect the Ethereum wallet to Uniswap, which is the world's biggest decentralized exchange. And I will also try to give you a bit of idea about the difference between centralized and decentralized exchanges. So that you know, because obviously many of you want to buy crypto, so this will help you take a call in future how to buy, where to buy. All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching.